So what's up guys, welcome to my video. Today I'll explain the basic structure of C++. Every basic structure of C++ starts with a header, which hashtag include IOStream. This basically let you perform input-output. Later, in the future videos, I will explain those things. But for now, let's focus on the basic structure. At the second line, we have the using namespace std. Basically, this is a shortcut. Without this, you need to do this every time you write a comment, or a line of code. But since we already have it, we no longer need to do so. And thirdly, we have the function. Function always has a data type and the name of the function. This behaves like a variable. I'll explain that later in the future videos. It's like a variable because a variable also has a data type and the name of the variable. But the difference is function has a functionality, while variable only contains specific data that you initialize. Now, inside of the curly bracket, we have the code that will run here. No, as I said, we have the header of IOStream. It let us do input and output. That's the reason we can use cout. Without IOStream, we cannot use cout to print the hello world. This thing that you see here is called string literal, and we have a return type. It returns 0 because we are dealing with integer. However, if we are dealing with void, we don't need to return anything because it has nothing. But since we are dealing with int, it should return an integer as well. Basically, when the code is running, it will return 0 if the code has no error. However, if it has an error, it will return 1 and will terminate the program. So this is the basic structure of C++. In the next video, I'll create more the about it.